welcome to another vlog. It feels like ages since I picked up my phone and pressed record, and I haven't done it probably since December last year, Vlogmas, which is absolutely insane. But I thought, because it's Sunday, I thought I'd vlog a little and just inform you guys on what's been going on in my life. I literally don't know what to say, that's how long I've vlogged for, but it is an amazing sunny day. There is blue skies. Let me show you guys. Like, I say this in every single vlog I do, but I love today's weather. It's so pretty and it makes me so happy. So today's plan is to hopefully film 2 videos, not including this one, and it is going to be a very exciting Mother's Day haul from Lush. I literally picked up almost everything and it's in this massive bag here, which is the Christmas bag, and I'm just obsessed with the design. I'm also loving my makeup today. I actually got it from Sophie Does Nails' recent tutorial, so if I can, I'll link it in the description below if you guys want to go and watch her video and copy the look as well. But it's so pink and pretty. It's actually supposed to be like a Valentine's Day look, but I love it so much that I would wear it every single day. And I've just paired it with my favourite Berry M Matte Me Up lipstick in Pose. I don't know if you guys have noticed as well, I've redone my room a bit. So I've literally just finished it up. As you can see here, if you guys watch my recent Primark haul, you will recognise the bits I got. I've got my little fluffy puff, ignore my cardigan and hand cream. And I just think it looks really cute. I love it so much, and it goes with every single duvet I have and the current cushions. And then I've taken my candle off here just to minimalise it a bit. And this is the book I'm currently reading, and the other phone is quick fine. It's amazing so far, and I'm only 57 pages in. Woo! In terms of my shelves, also this is the best bag ever. In terms of my shelves, I've put the aloe vera up here with my O Comedy magazines. I got a candle from Primark, which I got a couple years ago, and then some deer, and then this is the frame, which like finishes it off so well. I literally love my shelf so much now, and I got a little cute cat from one of the bonus here, and I just love it. It's so cute and so me. Also, I'm loving my outfit. It's very cash. I've got my leggings from Primark, which I've had for absolutely years, and this Old Navy t-shirt, which I got from America. And I thought I'd wear these more often because I was sorting out my wardrobe, got loads of stuff to give to charity, and I just rediscovered these and I'm falling in love again. I've been listening to The Greatest Showman like every single day, and I just listened to the whole album in full while I was getting ready, and it's just my favourite album of 2018 so far. Also, Faves have announced that their new album is out in April, so that'll be also my favourite album of 2018. If you haven't seen the film yet, literally go and see it. It is incredible. It's one of my favourite films ever, and the soundtrack is just out of this world. And sorry if I keep spinning and I'm making you feel dizzy, because I feel a bit dizzy spinning around as well. For those of you wondering, I thought I'd show you guys my filming setup because it's very simple, but I absolutely love it, and I feel like I get the most perfect lighting this way. So I literally sit on the edge of my bed here, and then I put a poster up. This never stays here. If you've seen in like my previous vlogs, this is just here as part of my video background, and I've got my plants. I thought I'd decide to add my aloe vera plant as part of my like what's it called, sort of video prop sort of stuff, and I think it looks really cute. And then I just have my camera here, and it's quite close, but I feel like it works really well. And yeah, and then there's my Lush bag ready to film the haul. Yay! Also, today marks 4 years of my blog, which is absolutely insane. Obviously I started it the year before I started this YouTube channel, and I can't even, like, I'm so proud of my little hobby, and I'm so happy with how far I've come. Even though I don't earn money or do brand deals or anything, because I do it for myself and you guys. I just feel warm and fuzzy in my heart, to be honest. And August the 1st marks, I think, 3 years of YouTube, which is absolutely incredible. I can't believe I've been doing these two hobbies for so long and I've actually managed to keep up with it and not give up. I was looking through the clips I filmed this morning and my hair like puffs out behind me as I do my makeup and it looks horrible. I hate my hair like that. But anyway, I film my videos now. I film 2. So I've got my Lush Mother's Day haul going up today, and I've also got a healthy snacks that I sort of recommend / haul video, which I hope you guys will enjoy because it's something definitely different that I've never done. And I'm literally just doing a flat lay of the products I picked up. That's a quick little sneak peek. Actually, you guys probably already seen it because I'm putting it up today and this vlog is going up next week. So yeah, I'm just importing the haul so I can edit it straight away, and I just went past it, didn't I? I think I did. If you're wondering, I edit on Movie Maker because it's free and it is actually so simple yet so effective, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, that is 19 minutes worth of footage and it's going to take a while. FYI guys, I keep my products in freezer bags because I find they help keep all the air out and they stay a bit fresher for longer. And these Morrison's ones aren't as good as they used to be anymore, so I think I'm going to have to get some from Canon because apparently they're really good and they're only £1. And in these you get 40 small, but the mediums are the same price, so I don't get that. But yeah, keep these fresh and I keep them in my little basket, and it's looking a little bit empty. Yeah, that is empty for me. About to go out and I feel super cozy. I've got my Primark fluffy jacket on, which you've seen during Vlogmas, and this case is my favourite. It's from Skin Dip and it's got cute pink sloths on. And I got my favourite Primark bag, which is a Gucci dupe of, I think, the Marmot and the Disco. So you got the tassel and the chain and the quilt, and it's my absolute favourite and it fits everything in. Yay! So I'm gonna go and get some essentials. It's now much later now and I'm just sitting down to relax and catch up on some YouTube videos. I love Sundays because all my favourite YouTubers upload videos on a Sunday, and I just love to sit in my room with a cup of tea and maybe a little snack. And I've got one of my healthy Honda Barrett snacks, which I did film a video about, like I said previously. And it's just that prune sunflower seed flapjack, and I broke it in half because it's quite big. And I got a cup of tea. I like to have my tea quite strong. I put 2 tea bags in with a little bit of milk and half a teaspoon of sugar. And I've also, heads up, just finished editing and uploaded my Lush Mother's Day haul. So that should be ready on my channel. So I'll link it at the end of this video if you guys want to go and watch that. But yeah, I love the thumbnail. I love adding emojis to thumbnails. They're super fun. So I've got Gabby's, Kira's, Lucy's and Louise's videos to watch, and also Bunny's. Also, I got some clothes to put away from the wash, and I've got these amazing joggers from Misguided the other day. I think I mentioned them on my Instagram, and they have red stripes. Wait, let me put them the right way around. So they're these pretty joggers, they're pink and red, so my aesthetic. Material is quite thick, but it doesn't make me feel too hot, and it makes me feel really warm, especially this time of year, and they're just really, really cozy. Like, I will live in these forever. So now I'm gonna chill, watch some YouTube, and I will see you in a bit. Hopefully, I might be having a Lush bath. Maybe with a Mother's Day product. Who knows?
You're always on my mind. I'm at your side. No matter what, you know.
So guys, I'm about to run my bath now, and I decided to go for the Purple Drone Ballroom from the Mother's Day collection. and it smells exactly like After Eight. It is insane. And I'm also using the Madam President bath bomb from Nosy, and it smells so citrusy and warming and spicy and all things nice. And for my face, I'm going to actually use up my 1000 Mini Helens Jelly Mask. It's really good to help with breakouts, and I've got loads of little microscopic spots popping up, so this will definitely help bring them out, clear them out. And you might not notice it because I wear makeup, but when my makeup's off, it looks disgusting. So I've got my aloe vera plant and shower gel there because I take photos for my Lush Instagram, so this is going to be some pics for that. So let's get running the bath. Bath is now run and my face mask is now on, and I'm definitely gonna sit in here for like half an hour and relax. So I think I'll leave you guys here because I'm gonna do not much after except eat and watch more YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really chill Sunday vlog. It's like an average day in the life. And give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click notification bell down below to get updates when it's uploaded. And I will see you guys Friday for another main channel video. Love you guys. Bye. But can we talk about the bath art though? Oh my god, it is so pretty. Okay, have a great evening. Bye.